So to make the drawing, we're going to go to New. I'm going to scroll down to the drawing section here. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see. Alright, so the drawing section here, we're going to go down to this one here. Great. Alright, so what we're going to do first is go to Base. And you need to find your file. So click on this icon here. And we're going to click on the assembly. Alright, so this should have your eyelets in there and your LED, your LED and the acrylic all together. Press open. Alright, now we can start to see how it's all coming together. So that's a side view. We can increase the size here with the scale. Okay. We're going to put the side view just in the corner here. Then above, I can click. That'll make a top view. Click over here. Okay, and that will show another view there. So in the corner as well, we can click. Alright, that'll give us an isometric view of the touch game. Alright, we're going to press OK. Okay, now can you see how on here, on the top view, alright, we can't see any of the hidden lines underneath. Okay, so you should technically be able to see, the inside edge here of the acrylic, and same over here. Alright, so what we're going to do is double click here, just on the red section. Alright, and we're going to click on this one here, which is hidden line, and press OK. Alright, now all of your hidden lines will appear. Alright, with this one here, the isometric view in the corner, if we double click on it, I want you to click on Shaded and press OK. And that's obviously going to add some color to it so we can see what it looks like as a finished product. Alright, what we can do now is come up to Annotate. Then we can go down to Dimensions, click on that. And now we can start doing our dimensions. Alright, so what I'm going to do is show you obviously how to do the dimensions. Alright, but I'm not going to do all of them. It's going to be your task to then go through and do it for yourself. I'll have a final drawing set up. Alright, and you guys have to just go through and try and do it as close as you can to what I've done. And try and get all those dimensions down. Okay. But for example, if we want to get the overall width of the touch game, I'm going to click on one side, click on the other side. Alright, and I'm just going to place my dimension there. Okay, and just press OK. Alright, so if I zoom in, there you go, it's 78. Alright, we could grab the total length here as well. Alright, click again. Press OK. As you can see, that one was 90. Alright, so you're going to go through and display all the dimensions that I need for your assessment, okay, based on the drawing that I give you. Alright, so you guys are going to have to work that one out for yourself, but that's just using the dimension tool. Okay. Now what we're going to do is edit this little title block here in the corner. Okay, see how there's all this information that hasn't been entered in here yet? Alright, I'll show you how to do that now. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to click Escape on my keyboard to get rid of dimensions, or you could go right click, okay? Alright, either one will work, and I'll get rid of the tool. Alright, what we're going to do now is go here, go right click, and go Edit Definition. Okay, and that's going to edit that title block for us. Alright, I'm just going to zoom in here. Alright, so where it says company, I want you to double click on that. Alright, I'm going to highlight all of that and just write Charles Campbell College. Press OK. For the top, right, touch. What I like to do is put that in the center as well. Alright, just so it looks a bit neater. Okay. The author will be your name. Okay, so write in obviously your name, but for me I'll just write already. Okay. For checked by, you're you can put my name, so you can just write Mr. Marty. The creation dates, you can obviously do today's date, so I'll double click on it. Alright, so we've got 31st. Oops, so let's get rid of the other part. 31. 8. Sometimes this will show up, just press OK. Alright, just finish it off. So I'm just going to copy. I'm going to use it for the other one as well. So I'm going to press OK. So the date's there. I'm going to double click on this one now. Just to make it easier, I'm just going to go paste and press OK. Alright, so I've got both of those on there. Alright, with the other stuff here, we don't really need it. So what I'm going to do is click on it once and hit delete. Okay, on my keyboard. Or you can right click it and go delete as well. Okay. For part number, we're just going to call this one part 1. Okay, enter. Alright, and that should be it for us. So we're just going to go finish sketch. Press yes. Alright, so now you've got all the information that we need just for this drawing here. Okay. So like I said before, you can go through and change, edit all the dimensions that you need based on the drawing that I give you. Alright, so you guys can get that done. Alright, to finish it off, all you need to do is go to File. Obviously you can save it, but you can go to Export as a PDF. Alright, and you can just type in, or just name the file as finished drawing or whatever else. Alright, then you can submit that to me on Demo.